Hello, this is Prophecy Watch, November 26, 2008. You've probably already heard, but Al-Qaeda has ordered an attack bigger than 9/11. Some people are even theorizing that this could be a chemical attack or possibly even an atomic suitcase bomb or something of that nature. But at any rate, we should be alert that this could be a fulfillment of Bible prophecy if it indeed does take place. As we know, the leader of Al-Qaeda is Osama bin Laden, and he is believed to be hiding out somewhere in northern Pakistan, which is east of Israel. Here's the prophecy we're watching in Revelation 6, 3 and 4. However, the first seal of Revelation has already been opened on 9/11/2001. The second seal it will open next. The rider on the red horse, which will be east of Israel, will be given power to take peace from the earth and make men slay each other. To him was given either a great battle or he was given a large weapon. This remains to be seen, but when it happens, we will be able to identify the second seal of Revelation. We are told in Zechariah, an Old Testament prophet, that the red horses were assigned to the east of Israel, and Pakistan, where Osama bin Laden and Al-Qaeda is based, is east of Israel. So we are watching the second seal prophecy of Revelation 6, 3 and 4. Once again, Osama bin Laden and Al-Qaeda are still based in northern Pakistan, east of Israel. So once again, we're watching Revelation, the second seal prophecy. The first seal was opened on 9/11, then the second seal will open next. When it opens, the rider on the red horse will be given power to take peace from the earth and make men slay each other. To him was given either a great battle or a large weapon. We're watching this prophecy, and when World War III starts, this prophecy will be fulfilled.